Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Computing Concepts of Computer Science. So in today's tutorial, we are going to discuss about multiple F. As multiple F is applied where we are having multiple options, but we can choose only one. So for example, I'm taking an example for explaining this multiple F statement. Uh, I'm taking easy example for it. Like in 11th class, you have some option for different types of subjects. So you have choice for the subjects. So if you are taking PCB, then you are also having multiple option for selecting an extra subject. So like one option is first option is maths. You can choose maths also with PCB, so it will become PCMB. Second option is CS, computer science. Third option is some of the school may be given this option, economics, right? So we are having three different options for selecting a single subject. There are three options, but we can choose only one subject. So we are going to apply multiple F over there. So firstly, CH is a variable. We are taking a choice of student, what they want to choose as an extra subject, and input, enter your choice. So choice is basically from all these subjects only, right? So if now we are going to apply if, and we have to mention condition over there. So if the value of CH is equals to 1, then I need to print you have chosen maths. Like you have chosen maths as an additional subject or extra subjects. So if CH, the choice of user is CH is equals to 1. So here equals to is equality operator, or you can say it is a relational operator, right? So if the value of CH is 1, then the user will be getting a message, you have chosen maths. If the value of CH is equals to 2, then the message will be getting by the user, you have chosen CS. So you have chosen CS as an additional subject or extra subject. And if the choice is equals to 3, then you have chosen eco as an extra subject, right? So we are having three different choices. Let me run this code first. So we are going to run this code. First choice is 1, enter choice. Then you have chosen maths. Again, running this statement, I have chosen 3 this time. Then you have chosen equal, right? But if I'm choosing 4, then it is going to display nothing. It is nothing going to be displayed, right? So I think a statement, another statement will be there. So the statement will be if CH is greater than and equals to 4, if the value of CH is greater than and equals to 4, then the statement will be printed wrong choice, you can choose from 1 to 3, right? So this time I'm again running this code. So if I'm choosing 4 this time, so wrong choice, you can choose from 1 to 3. Again I'm running this statement. If I'm taking 6, then again wrong choice, you can choose from 1 to 3. So this is the statement. This is the statement which you are getting or user will be getting if he or she will be choosing a wrong selection. Apart from all these three options, if he or she will be getting any other options, so a message will be displayed over here, right? So this is multiple if statement. If we are having multiple choices apart from we are having 4 and 5 and 6 choices, it's up to you. You can take multiple choices over there. Nothing is stagnant over here, so you can uh, create a program according to yourself, according to your need, according to your choice. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for joining us. Thank you.